This is a video to show you how to move the G1 axis and to view its coordinates. So we'll turn on our servos, and in order to move the G1 axis, you need to have the right settings from the very beginning. So I'm going to go over to a new program, and then you'll see it's on mechanism 1 right now, and only with the robot is accessible. So we'll scroll down, go to mechanism 3, and then it's robot plus G1. So I'll hit enter, and there's two ways to move the G1 axis. My favorite way is to click this left small trigger. You click it once and it brings up this window, and you move it just like any other coordinate. The second way is to go up into this menu bar. You saw window change, and you can go up into here and select between robot and external axis. The other thing I'll show you is how to view the coordinates of the robot and the table. So I'm going to program a point right here. Oops. There we go. Program that point there, and then in order to look at the coordinates of it, I'll turn the robot off and select that point and go to position name, and that'll bring up the coordinates of this specific point, no matter where the robot and the G1 positioner are at. And you'll notice there's no G1 coordinate on here, so you'll need to scroll up just twice, and you'll be able to select either one of these arrows, and that will bring up the G1 coordinate. So I'm going to hit cancel, and I'll show you the other way. So in order to show the current position of the robot and the table, you go up into the menu bar here and select view, and then go down, select display change, display position, and XYZ, and that shows you the coordinates of the robot. But you need to view the G1 axis. You window change until you get over to here and select the down arrow, and that will bring up the G1 coordinate.